Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial for how I do my baby hairs with a slick back bun. So if you want to learn, just keep on watching. I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of water just to help it, be more manageable as I try to slick it down. I'm going to take my paddle brush and just brush this hair on back. And for now, I like to put my hair in the bun where I would like for it to sit, while I use my styler of choice, and today it's going to be Eco, to slick my hair down. If your hair is thicker, you can go in sections and start to slick your hair down in sections. I do see a lot of people like to do that with their gel, but I like to use as less product as possible, so that's why I do this technique where I just slap my gel right on top, brush it down, and slick it right on back. Once I get my hair to my desired slickness, I then go in and just kind of smooth that product right on in. And at this point, I can actually take a loose my bun to get it re-tight to make sure I have the hair in tucked in tight and how I want it. And that's the bun that I go for. So next, I will take a rat tail comb to pull out my baby hairs. If you do not like baby hairs, you can skip this step. To each is your own. Like, I love me some baby hairs, and this is what I do. I do use my foam wrap to style my baby hairs. I noticed that it gives it a softer hold, and I'm kind of more so liking that right now. This is one way that I like to do my baby hairs, where I swirl it and I keep it going into my actual hair. And then on this side, I'm going to be doing a little more of a swirl, kind of like that Jada Waiter inspired swirl. And you literally just keep going and use your finger to wrap your hair on around. And my hair kind of naturally does let me just kind of swoop it right around, and that's how I achieve those. This is my method for getting my baby hairs like this without having to use heat. I see a lot of people are converting to heat to kind of like curl their baby hairs, but mousse is a great styler to kind of give you that swirl, Princess Jasmine look. I'm not really into hair types, but I do know I have a sleeker texture hair, so sometimes this method does help for like my type of texture hair. If you do use heat for your baby hairs, please just remember to use heat protectant and go through it like that, because even with the heat applied baby hairs, they're so cute. But for me, the mousse, it does what it has to do, and even when it dries, I can pick it off and it would look like flat ironed baby hair. Once everything is how you like it, grab you a satin scarf and go ahead and lay your hair down. I like to put my scarf at the start of my baby hairs and on my hair, because I don't want to just completely lay down my baby hairs, but the start of it just kind of helps it make sure that it's secured and going to not be like looking like it's lifting up. I let that sit for like a few minutes, and then I take it off. And once I do take it off, I like to go in with an oil or a serum. I'm going to use my Garnier Fructis today, and I just do like a dime size amount in my hand, and I rub that on my hair. Here is a view from the back. I do love my buns like this, just something quick and simple, not too much, a very nice go-to style. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Come on and take off with me, and we're gonna be popping. All right, until next time, bye guys.